Mastering superlatives, the key to great descriptions. Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of describing people, places, and things, using the in superlative sentences. It may seem small, but the plays a major role when we use superlatives. So let's dive in. Before we get to the, let's briefly recap what superlatives are. Superlatives are words that express the highest degree of something. They typically end in est or are preceded by most. For example, we have the biggest, the smartest, or the most interesting. Now, you might be wondering, why is the so important in superlative sentences? Well, the is a definite article that we use before superlatives to specify that we are talking about a unique or specific entity that has the highest degree of equality among a group. For example, in the sentence, "She is the best dancer in the class," the is used to specify that she is the number one dancer among all the dancers in the class. Let's go through some more examples to really understand this. 1. This is the most delicious pizza I have ever eaten. The pizza you are eating right now is at the top of all the pizzas you have eaten in your life. 2. He is the fastest runner on our team. Among all the runners on the team, he is the quickest. 3. This book is the thinnest on the shelf. Among all the books on the shelf, this one has the fewest pages or is the least bulky. It's important to note that we also use the with superlative phrases. For example, he ran the fastest I've ever seen someone run. Here, the fastest is a superlative phrase describing how someone ran. Understanding the use of the in superlative sentences is key to making accurate and precise descriptions in English. Practice making your own sentences using the with superlatives and soon, you'll be a pro at it. Remember, practice makes perfect, or should I say, practice makes the best. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.